Hey guys, this is BEAUTIFULHR and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making DIY terrariums with cacti and succulents, so let's jump right into it. So the supplies you're going to need are going to include cacti soil. I'm using two different brands. I got the first one from Canadian Tire and I got this one from a succulent shop. The one from the succulent shop just has some more rocks in it for filtration. You're going to need gloves as well as some moss for decoration afterwards when you're finalizing. And you're going to need a glass jar of some sort to put your succulent in. So first I'm just putting on some gloves, and then I actually emptied out the jar that we're going to use on the right just because I had a past plant in it before and I wanted to reuse the jar. Here I'm just showing you the soil I'm going to use. The plant we're going to be mainly focusing on today, we're using a cactus. So the first thing we're going to do with our jar is we're actually going to fill the bottom with rocks. Now this is going to help with the filtration of the water, just because succulents and cacti do not like to have a lot of water or to have a lot of moist soil. The rocks actually help to contain the water in the bottom, keep the water sort of separate from the soil, so the soil is not soaking up so much water and constantly staying damp. Now in the beginning of the footage, I did show you that I used two different types of cacti soil. So one just contains a few more rocks, and the other one is just mainly soil. So I made about a layer of each. Now here I'm just clearing a space in the center of the jar so I can make room to place the cacti inside. As a method of pulling the cacti out, sometimes it's easier to squish the container a little bit near the end to help loosen the plant so you can get it out of the container easier.
You see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on two separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on two separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
So this is the part where you can kind of have fun with designing your terrarium, because now you're in the final stage and all you gotta do is add the few toppings to it. But what I like to do is add some rocks and moss, just to give it a fun look. There you have it. You're done making your terrarium. Applause. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I will be checking comments down below. Also, if you want to follow my social media accounts, I have my Instagram linked in my description, because if you want to be updated for every time I post a new video, just click the notification bell. It's that simple. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and hope you come back for more. Bye!